In this video, I will detail how we plan to push the creators economy into the Web3 revolution and how you will benefit from it. My name is Vincent and you're watching the Decod3rs channel. Content creators will shape the next bull market, and now is the time for us to build the tools and develop the community to lead the way. We will become the ambassadors of the best project on Solana and Ethereum, and our community will get rewarded for it. Why? Because our holders will help us to distribute our content out there, and so the project we talk about in our video will increase their discoverability in the industry. Realistically, we have a couple of months to build an audience, bring value to our holders, and develop our new meta before entering a new bull market. To fulfill our mission, we will focus our community on three main actions: watch, share, and earn. Let me detail all of that for you. First, watch. Everything will start on this YouTube channel. We will produce 2 to 3 videos per week talking about cryptos and NFT on Solana and Ethereum. We will do live, facecam video like this one, and even founders interviews. You will also find all of our spaces in a playlist of this channel. We will also edit YouTube Short, Instagram Reels, and TikTok to increase our viewership on this channel, but also for you to stay connected when you are on the go. We will push you to engage and share our content in every video. It's really important for you to invite your communities on this channel, because at the end of the day, we have the same goal. By bringing more viewers to this channel, we will increase its revenue and by extension, the share allocated to our community. And that will bring us to my favorite part, the one that after you watch a video, you get rewarded for it. Our initial idea is to take 30% of the net income of this channel generated from ads, brand sponsorship, and even affiliate marketing, and redistribute it to a selected few via stacking and airdrops. Let me explain how it works. First, you will mint our PFP NFTs. Then you will stack them. At that moment, you will start collecting our utility token, the Views token. With your Views token, you will buy raffle tickets. If you win, you will receive a new NFT that will represent the ownership of that video and a portion of its revenue. Finally, you will be able to also stack this NFT and receive SOL every day based on the revenue for that specific video, but also from the rest of the channel. We will publish more details about our revenue sharing model once the Discord will be open to everyone. But that's it, that's how it works. You must understand that this channel is a proof of concept of a way bigger ecosystem. Once we will have proven that our model works, we will open our platform to other content creators. We will white label our application and they will be able to use the Views token, implementing the same watch to earn model than us. By doing so, we will align the interest of the content creators and their community at scale. It's basically a reverse Patreon model. Okay, now let me talk to you about our roadmap for the first few months. Obviously, we start to need to focus on growing the community and the number of subscribers on this channel. Without you, we can't do it properly. Once everyone knows about us and we reach a sustainable amount of subscribers on this channel, we will announce more information about the main details. Again, the faster we grow this channel, the faster we will deliver our collection. So please subscribe to this channel now and share it to your communities. After setting out our collection, the stacking app will be live on day 1 and you will be able to collect your first Views tokens. As I previously said it in the video, the Views token is the utility token of the Decod3rs ecosystem. It will allow you to not only buy raffle tickets, but also participate into every activities and tools that we will develop along the way. For example, you can imagine to pay your newsletter subscription or even the access to private groups for a nominal fee in views. Long term, this token will be also used by content creators to promote their own videos. Again, we will announce more and more utilities for token on Discord soon enough. And that's it. That's all I have for you. Now, at this point of the video, I give you all of the essential information about our project, Decod3rs. If you are hyped, subscribe to this channel. You will get whitelisted right away, and post any question you could have in the comment section down below. Finally, follow us on Twitter so you can join us on our next spaces and you can talk directly to me or my team. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.